Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And here it's going to be the third part of this calculation apps thing or calculation apps tutorial. And here we're going to do some the next screen about the calculation apps here, and it's going to be square. So without taking any further to do, just let's get into the video. If you have done this series from a long time ago, so maybe you understand, we're going to have to the next screen here. The first things we're going to do is to open some Kodular. For it to open the color hunt. So waiting the color first. And here I have the template, the things that we made since a lot of days ago. And because of that, so just wait here first. Okay. After we open the Kodular, click create some apps here. And we're going to do something here. I promise it's going to be simple because a, it's not a big things here. So it's going to be fast. Wait, hold on a second. It's kind of lagging here. So just wait a few seconds here. Still waiting here. So wait. So we're still opening the Kodular apps here. Okay, see, so we got into the website here. Just wait a few seconds there till it's open. It's almost there. Oh, the internet is wet. Wait a minute. We're going to wait first. So welcome to Kodular. We're going to create this tutorial Kodular apps. Why? Because it's the main file there. So we're going to wait a few seconds here. Hold on a second. It's not going to be that long. I hope so. So wait, okay. So this all the things that we have done before. This is going to be the part 1 and this part 2. And next it's going to be part 3. How we're going to make that first in here, because we just have the sample here. The next thing that we're going to do is to duplicate these things. We're going to duplicate, so we're just going to click this copy screen here. Then we're going to change the name here to be square. Okay, so square done here. If you see, wait, copy screen. Okay, we get the square here. So the next thing that we're going to do is to delete this first, the second text box there. Then of course we're going to delete these things. Then we're not going to use this horizontal arrangement or that whole stuff. Okay, so we're just going to focus here on these things. It's going to be a really simple tutorial here. So we're going to have some square, and wait, hold on a second. I'm going to see first. Okay, the only things that we're going to add here, it's to put another label. and put under here, and here we're going to change the text to be calculating square. So calculating square, and we're going to make to be center here, with 100% of course. Okay, font size maybe it's going to be 20, and square text. For square text, we're going to make that things to be bigger. So maybe 60 is going to be perfect. 60 for square, and not that one. This is going to be 20, and square label here, it's going to be 60 here. Okay, and the next thing is we're going to change this logo here to be square. Okay, so there's going to be a little change here. It's going to be a 20% right here, and width it's going to be 50%. 50% there. Okay, so it's going to be kind of big, a little bit bigger than before. Okay, so this all the thing that we need, and the next thing maybe I'm going to just duplicate these things. Duplicate, click this, then right click, bring the things or this space under here, and this calculating things will have done. And we're going to change the text color there to be the second darkest color. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to, of course, put some, we're going to put some horizontal arrangement too. We're going to put some horizontal arrangement here, then put it right here, under here. Okay, after that, we're just going to make sure, or we're going to make sure it's set up perfectly. So 25% for horizontal arrangement, and we're going to make some change on this result. So it's going to be 17 here, 17%, and width it's going to be 45%. So 45%, sorry. No, this is the result here, and we're going to drag this thing here under here. Okay, so we have that, and the next thing we're going to duplicate. Okay, so we have all of that, and the next thing we're going to do from result here, result text, we're going to change it to be area. After area, the next thing that we're going to change, it's this thing. It's going to be hard. Maybe you just type, pause the video. It's going to be circumference. See, so circumference there. And yeah, we're going to start from 200 and it's maybe 500 here. It's important to change this name because we're going to play a lot of codes about these things. So calculation label, we're going to change it to be area label. So area label here, and this one will be circum. This thing it's going to be circum label here. Yes. Okay, so done. Everything perfect here, and then for it to make everything to be centered there. Okay, so this is the final UI. Oh yeah, next thing, button. We're going to change the button from delete here to be calculate. So from delete it's going to be calculate. So calculate there. And the next thing that we're going to do is to change the button one name to be button calculate. So then there, it's the final result of the square UI. The next thing that we're going to do is to code that things with a decoration there, so that's perfect. So blocks, because it's going to be kinda the same. Wait, what's wrong with the calculate? Oh yeah, so square here. We're going to delete this one and this text box one. I mean text box two, because there was going to be no text box two. We're just going to have this one text box here. Text box one, okay. So the next thing that we're going to do is to bring this thing up to make sure that's clean. No other things. Next thing, we're going to go to button calculate here. Then when button calculate clicks, that what we're going to do is we're going to go to control here, then bring this if then put some else. Okay, so after that what we're going to do, go to logic here and bring this equal stuff. Then we're going to click this text box one, scroll down, then bring this text box text there. And the next thing, text is empty stuff, we bring there. Okay, let's finish for the first line. That we're going to go to the next line. We're going to go to label, wait, this area label. So what we're going to do with area label, we're going to set area label text, scroll down there, then set area label text and click area label to area label text. Okay, it's going to be the same things with area label, so just duplicate these things, right click and click duplicate. But from area label, we're going to change it to be circum label, and this one circum label too. Let's finish for the then part. After that, we're going to go to else. So what we're going to do with else, click area label here, scroll down until you found this area label, of course, and this is the first. Then we're going to click some math there, times math. So go up there, math, we're looking for a times here, bring it over there. Then what we're going to put there is to put both of the side. Wait, text box, okay. So text box one, then text box one text, and duplicate this thing too, times text box one text. Then the last part from else things for circumference. So just duplicate these things from area label to be circum label here. Then bring this thing, delete, and delete again. Okay. Next. Oh, it's going to be the same things. So times here. Just duplicate this thing and times the same thing. But the difference is the first text box we're going to delete that things, and we're going to change to another one. So go to math here, scroll up and bring this 0 and change this number 0 to be 4. Okay. So that's all about this next square, and the other things will be easier too. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Gazon Rai Sabrinarto. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you these things. So we have a flow chart here that I forgot to show you. So we're going to have some flow chart too on whimsical. It's going to be before there, but okay. So I've made the flow chart here about that square that we have done before. Forget to show you that things. So wait a few seconds here. Okay, hold on a few seconds. It's going to have some before. Okay, because it's going to be too long, we're just going to close this, and I want to you guys to focus here. Okay, so I've made the flowchart here, and it's the flowchart of the square here. So it's going to start and square, then it's going to start the things. After that, what is this? It's a square screen. Then what it's going to do is when this text box fill empty there, it's going to be end. And if the text box receives some number there, then the area label things will will put the site there, and the site input site text and site text too, and times it, and that's end. It's going to show the result. And what's wrong with the circle? So circle is going to have a different things there. So for it and not site will times into site, and it's going to be end. That's all about the flowcharts there. Sorry for that mistake. I've mistaken a few things there. Everyone have a mistake, right? Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'm Gazwan Rasibay Narto. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.